Hey everyone and welcome back. Today we are diving into two of the most talked meme coin projects right now, Solaxy and Wall Street Ponke. All while Bitcoin has just crossed 110k. So, with the market heating up, which of these two could actually be the next 100x meme coin? Let's break it all down. First, let's take a look at Solaxy. It's gaining traction as the first layer 2 on Solana. That definitely sounds impressive. And it's already pulling attention across social media. But here's the real question. Does Solana even need a layer 2? Solana is already super fast and low cost. So the value of adding a layer 2 is being debated. Some early investors are betting on hype potential, but more experienced ones are now looking for real utility, and that brings us to Wall Street Ponke. They have raised more than $300,000 in a couple of hours just as they announced the project. Wall Street Ponke is one of the few meme coin projects doing more than just dropping a funny name and hoping for a pump. They have already raised $300,000 in just a few hours, as I said before, and at the time of this video the price is still low at around $0.000026 right now, which is a very low entry price. This project combines the power of AI and crypto to help users trade smarter and safer. And that's a game changer. But what makes Wall Street Ponke special? Here's what it brings to the table. It has a trading platform that automatically scans contracts for risks, AI alerts that warn users about scams and rug pulls, live blockchain data so you can catch trends before they go viral, which is very important if you want to do quick and, maybe profitable bets. A clear mission to protect investors and clean up the meme coin space. It's fully audited by CoinSalt and it has over 1000% staking API for long-term holders, which is insane. 1000%. Just imagine if you invest any amount of money you want, it will be 10x'd. That's what 1000% means. This is not just a meme. It's a complete platform designed to support every crypto users, not just whales. Besides this, on the X account, Wall Street Ponke also provides beginner-friendly lessons for crypto users of all levels, live trading signals, community chat spaces for sharing tips and strategies, and last but not least, trusted market insights and updates, which is a pretty big thing considering that you technically can learn, but you don't need to because they give you the insights if you want to. This is crypto education meets real utility, and it's getting noticed. And now let's talk about how you can buy Wall Street Ponke if you are interested. First, visit wallstreetponke.com. Obviously, the link will be listed in the description down below. Then connect your wallet. You can choose between the Trust Wallet or MetaMask if you prefer. Then you choose your payment method. You can choose between ETH, BNB, USDT or your credit card. Then you just need to decide how much you want to buy and confirm the transaction, and boom, you are in and early, which is very important if you want to do big profits. And now, let's come to the very important question. Why Wall Street Ponke might be the next 100x coin? Look, with Bitcoin at $101,000, the meme coin market is waking up again. But this time hype isn't enough. People want safety, they want tools, and they want projects with purpose. That's what makes Wall Street Ponke so exciting. While Solaxy might ride the early buzz, Ponke is building something sustainable. It's got a solid ecosystem, AI-driven utility, massive staking rewards, and a growing community. It's the kind of project that doesn't just go viral, it stays relevant, which is very important considering the fact that you cannot time the market, and being in a project that's stable and brings utility makes it easy to buy and then sell at a good point. You never meet the perfect point, but a project with these terms makes it easy to get out with profit. Now let's talk about my final thoughts to end this video. Here's the deal. Solaxy might pop short term. You maybe get 2, 3, 4 or maybe a 5x return, which isn't bad, but Wall Street Ponke has the tools, trust and team to go much further. 10x, 20x, maybe 100x. We will see, and only time will tell if this will happen. And if you're looking for the next 100x opportunity, in my opinion, Wall Street Ponke is the better choice compared with Solaxy. But don't wait too long, because if a 5x happen and we are waiting for a 100x, the 5x turns the 100x if you invest late to a 20x. So be fast. And if you want to stay up to date, obviously there is the website, the Twitter and the Telegram. All of those will be listed in the description down below. Which now brings me to the end of this video, in which I want to emphasize on the fact that this video is just for entertaining purposes. If you want to invest your money, do your own research, because keep in mind, at the end of the day, I am just a random person talking to my screen right here. And with that said, bye bye!